Pagpapalakas ng ugnayan ng Pilipinas at Estados Unidos. Iyan ang naging sentro ng pag-uusap ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. at U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio ngayong Miyerkules dito sa Malacanang. Sa isang courtesy call, nagpasalamat si Pangulong Marcos sa patuloy na suporta ng US sa Pilipinas, lalo na sa larangan ng depensa at ekonomiya. Napag-usapan din ang posibleng pagdalo ni US President Donald Trump sa 49th ASEAN Summit sa November.
We had a very positive meeting last year in Washington, and then this is a country that has deep ties to the United States for many, many years, and it's a partnership that is only growing, and in light of recent events, I think more important than ever. And so we're glad to be with you here today and to reaffirm that relationship and our commitment to the U.S.-Philippines relationship.
Especially so, Mr. Secretary, as we are living the curse of may you live in interesting times, and here we are, right in the middle of them. It doesn't sound like a curse, but it turns out that it is.
Ayon kay Philippine Ambassador to the United States, Babe Romualdez, tinutukoy ng Pangulo ang mga nagaganap sa pandaigdigang larangan.
Interesting time is basically with what's happening in the global arena, everything that's happening right now. It's interesting times in the sense that there's so much of these things that are happening, and hopefully the partnerships that we've had, not only with the United States but other countries as well, will be a source of comfort for us, that we have a lot of allies and friends and partners all over the world.
Ayon pa kay Romualdez, nabanggit lamang ang China ng pahapyaw sa pag-uusap ni Marcos at Rubio.
Well, China, of course, has always been a situation that is always part of the conversation, in the sense that the hope is that countries will have a way to be able to persuade China to be able to respect the rule of law in international law of the seas and so forth and so on. So that's essentially what the messages are coming out of many of these partnerships.
Na-mention yun mong meeting, Ambassador?
It was not really mentioned, it was just in passing.
Sinabi rin ni Romualdez na ikinatuwa ni Pangulong Marcos ang mabilis na pag-usad ng Pax Silica at Luzon Economic Corridor na inaasahang makatutulong sa paglago ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Ang Pax Silica ay isang inisyatibang pinangungunahan ng US na naglalayong palakasin ang kooperasyon ng mga kasaping bansa sa critical na mineral, semiconductors, artificial intelligence, infrastructure at iba pa. Sa kasalukuyan, may ilang civil society groups na tumututol at nagpapahayag ng pag-aalala kaugnay ng Pax Silica dahil sa di umano'y masamang epekto nito sa kapaligiran. Luisa Cabato, nag-uulat para sa Inquirer.